Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to install the Modern Honey network on Ubuntu 18.04. First off, you'll need to copy my on-screen commands. These will be linked in the description below. Once you run this install command, it's going to take a little while to finish, so I will just fast forward the video and come back to you once it's complete. Next, MHN asks for some input details. So if you just copy what you see on here, it will ask for an email address, which I've just put test@gmail because that'll be the login, and then it'll ask for a password. So just validate those. Also, it will ask for where you want the web server to be accessed from, and it was an IPv6 address, but I changed it to the local server address of this machine, as you can see in the video. Pretty much once that's done, it'll then carry on configuring things, so I'll just skip ahead of that part and come back to you once it's up and running. Now that the installation is finished, we'll go over to the web browser where we can go to the IP that we specified within the configuration. Now you're going to want to head over to the deploy tab and see where you want to deploy. In this instance, I will be doing this honeypot. So you copy the command, you go over to the honeypot's host machine, and then you'll just want to paste that command in there and let it run. This will install the honeypot on that system and it will report back to the MHN server. Now that's complete, you can see within the sensors the honeypot is reporting back to the main server itself, and now you can wait on the map and wait for an attack to come through. I'll leave this video running for the last couple of minutes where you can just see the attacks coming in real time. Thanks for watching, guys.